Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 8, 9 and 10. I am the sapidity in water, O son of Kunti. I am the light in the moon and the sun. I am the syllable Om in all the Vedas, sound in ether and virility in men.
Chapter 7, Shloka 8. Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashi suryayoho pranava sarva vedeshu shabdhakke paurusham rishu.
I am the sweet fragrance in earth and the brilliance in fire, the life in all beings, and I am austerity in the auster.
Chapter 7, Shloka 9. Punyo gandha prithivyancha tejaschasmi vibhavaso jivanam sarvabhudesho tapaschasmi tapasvisho.
Know me, O Parth, as the eternal seed of all beings. I am the intelligence of the intelligent, the splendor of the splendid. Things and beings am I.
Chapter 7, Shloka 10. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam viddhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhimadam asmi tejas tejasvinamaham.
Chapter 7, Shloka 8, 9 and 10. The higher nature was compared with the thread in the necklace example, and the pearls as the lower nature consisting of the individual elements of the plurality to hold the necklace of the universe together. What is that self which is common in all and yet not easily seen is the doubt, which is being cleared in these two shlokas. Earlier it was stated that the higher nature was the womb of all beings and that beyond the self there is nothing. Dharma is the law of being. Dharma is that which remains in a substance from the beginning to the end constantly, and without which the thing cannot ever maintain its identity. For those with subtle intellects, the following examples are given to show the self as the life in all beings. The examples are sapidity in water, radiance in the sun and the moon, Om in all Vedas, sound in space, virility in man, and the austerity in the auster. The examples clearly indicate that the self gives each individual phenomenon its own existence. For those of grosser intellects who are not able to grasp the above, Lord gives more examples to make the relationship between the gross perceivable matter and the subtle imperceptible spirit more clear. Lord says that I am the ancient seed of all beings and I am the intelligence in the intellect. The intelligent has better comprehension and in whom the self shines out more brilliantly as divinity in thoughts as ideas. Consciousness expresses itself through the instrument of the intellect as an intelligent individual, like the electricity in the bulb, heat in the heater, and music in the radio. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.